Live action in the hurricane. The power has cut on and off at least 25 times, at least 26. It usually comes on quick. The longest it's been off was like 5 minutes. Look. There's been a couple of really heavy gusts, but other than that, it's been pretty much just like this. It's a little windier than earlier. And no power. My new lake in the street, my mailbox in the yard over there, that white thing, and it looks like it gets deeper down that way. So much for that. Well, there's no power. Haven't had power since about 5 p.m. Saturday. It's Sunday, it's about 9:30 in the morning. No power, but I remembered I don't even know if you can see this little propane stove that I bought for my trip. And I had in my truck. So I went to go get it, and I'm gonna fire up some eggs and bacon before they start to go bad. Take a little cruise around the block. this car's been like this all night. They're gonna have a dead battery. Always empty. Now it's full. Well, it is Monday morning. I still don't have power yet. I haven't had power since Saturday afternoon. Still not sure when it's going to cut on. It hasn't been that bad, except for my freezer. All the meat that I had in there is still cold, but it's all defrosted. So I'm gonna go get some ice, put it on ice, and I'm probably gonna have a big barbecue today. Maybe I'll give some away to the neighbors. It's about 10:30 in the morning, and it's time to do a little barbecue. Who says too early? It's never too early when you don't have power and your food is defrosting quickly. So the most thought out stuff is some chicken breasts that are like flattened out. So what I'm gonna do with those is wrap them with bacon, or I'm gonna sear them first, then wrap them with bacon, move them off to the side, and just let them smoke. And I have a little bit of a mesquite and applewood. I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna make like chicken sandwiches out of those. And then after that, maybe a couple of drumsticks, because those are almost defrosted as well. But whatever's thawed gets cooked. It's the way it works. Almost. There you go. Just put them on, getting the grill hot, gonna clean it up, throw on the meat. Yeah. Alright, so I threw some chicken legs on, searing them up, and then I'm gonna move them up to the top. Oh yeah. Well, there's the finished product of the bacon wrapped chicken breast on some toasted buns before it goes bad without power. Cheers. Well, as you can tell, I finally got power back on. I let the AC cool down some, close all the windows, letting some of the food cool off again. What I cooked earlier and didn't eat, I went ahead and put in the fridge. I'll probably end up reheating that tonight. And then tomorrow I'll cook the rest of the food. I mean, some of it might be fine to refreeze, but either way, I'll try to cook it all within the next few days. But it just feels good to have the power back on. So I'm gonna edit this and try to upload it, and I'll see you guys later.